Hello, how are we all doing, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys are having a good day. Now, obviously, I got some very sad news to tell you. Virgin trains will be no more next Sunday. Not this Sunday. Next Sunday, the 8th of December. So on the 7th of December to midnight of the 8th of December, Virgin Trains' last service will depart during midnight or 2 a.m. or something like that. So Virgin Trains will be no more. Virgin Trains will be no more. It's very sad. Very, very sad. So this is very sad news for you guys. So first Trenitalia are the winners of the West Coast franchise because they're having new trains because they're replacing the Voyagers. Because I believe the Pendolinos will stay unless one of the electrification on the Chester routes on Wales and Borders franchise. During the first Trenitalia franchise, High Speed 2 will also be there. Anyway, back to where we were. Virgin Trains started back 22 years ago, back in 1997, with the first fleet of the Class 86, 87, 90 Mark II, Mark III, and Mark III DVT sets. These were replaced with the Class 390 when they were 8 cars, but now they have 9. But in 2009 to 2012, the 11 coach sets have been entered service. And last year, the electrification on the Blackpool to Preston line is complete. I think it was last year or something like that. The 319s, 331s are there, and also another also diesel mobile units are still there. I wonder the electrification. No, I think the Holyhead and Chester will stay as it is, to be fair. So, I wonder what the livery is going to be like, I wonder. Probably like a bluish, or I don't know. I think the operator name will be First Trenitalia. I think First Trenitalia will be the operator name. I haven't got a clue. I don't know. If you know the operator name on the West Coast franchise, please let me know in the comments box. So, I know it's very sad news, to be fair. I know it's sad news. Very sad news, guys. Virgin Trains will be no more. Virgin Trains will be no more. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm absolutely sorry. It's just very sad news, to be fair. So, Virgin Trains, it's time to say goodbye on the last day of the West Coast franchise back in 1997. And one more thing. The Pendolino used to be there, but now it was gone to Greater Anglia. Because there was a replacement for the written off train in 2007. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. It's just not what I meant. And yeah, HSCs used to be there as well. So back from 1997, Virgin awarded the West Coast franchise, but in this year, not anymore until October this year. So yeah, I think the Pendolinos will stay. To be fair, Pendolinos will stay. So thanks very much for watching this. I know Virgin Trains will be no more because first Trenitallia will be there, so this will cheer you up. So thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.